this energy as it's spreading out from the center of your heart into the rest of your body. Feel the energy flow in